Hi, I'm Chris with Carnival Cruise Addicts, and this is episode 81 of Yakety-Yak straight from the Yak's mouth. John Heald, Carnival Cruise Line's brand ambassador, posts on his Facebook page where you can ask him questions. We read the questions and the answers, and we post the cool, the funny, the weird, the miss here for you so you don't have to read 1,000 questions. Today's episode, we're talking about a status upgrade during the cruise, the ice cream at Cherry on Top. Where did John's live video go? The phone number for the excursion desk, and surveys from your last cruise. All right, question one. This cruiser wanted to know if they reach platinum status during their next cruise, will they receive the benefits afforded at that level during that cruise, beginning of the cruise, the day they change, or the next cruise? John said, you will indeed receive the benefits at the start of the cruise. So let's just say you're at day 73 and you're on a 5-day cruise. So you're going to hit your platinum status on that cruise. Currently, that might change. From day one, you are going to be a platinum. So you might be gold for the first couple days. Technically, they will consider you platinum from day one, and you get all the cool perks that come with the status upgrade. Question two. This cruiser asked if the ice cream at Cherry on Top on the horizon changes dailies. There's a specific ice cream that they were looking for, and they didn't see it when they went there. So they're a little upset about it. John said yes, they do indeed change a rotation, and they hope they go there pretty much every day so they can get the flavor they like. Because, it's much like anything else. You go to get something, and it's not there, and you like that one, it's disappointing. So yeah, they change ice cream every day. Speaking of like, if you like what you see and you like cruising content, please like and subscribe. We would greatly appreciate it. All right, question three. This cruiser missed John's live video that he had posted and removed it. He wasn't sure why it got removed, but he really wanted to know what John was talking about because he looks forward to his Thursday lives. John said the only piece of news he really shared on that one was for the Diamond Platinum Party. They're not going to be delivering the little cards to your room because you don't have to bring them to the Diamond Platinum Party. They will be notifying you on the Hub app, which I think is kind of cool. I mean, we do save them, but it's kind of a waste of paper and time and delivery and this, that, and the other. And as I've said in previous videos, they can definitely improve the Hub app, and now they're actually, looks like they're going to be utilizing that a lot more. So I agree with that, 100%. This cruiser asked if there was a phone number for the Shore Excursions desk so they can call and book. They're traveling with a child under 2, and they understand that on the excursions, they don't have to pay for them, but when they go to book it, it is charging for the 2-year-old. John said the number is nothing. It doesn't exist. There is no number to call them. But all you need to do is book the tickets for the adults and not include the 2-year-old. So it doesn't technically count as a body. If you put a body on there or a guest, then it's going to charge you for said guest. If they are under 2, don't even put them on there. So you won't get charged for it. Pretty easy. Last question. This cruiser received their survey from the last crew. And of course, they gave everything a perfect 10 because it was a perfect cruise. They also mentioned that multiple crew members were amazing. They went over and beyond. And we see this on a lot of cruises, like I'm sure you as well. And they wanted to know if they put their names in there, does the employee get recognized? Do they get a pat on the back? Do they get a kudos? Or does it just kind of go into the archives? And John said, yes, the crew will be shown their comments by senior management in their weekly meetings. And all of these go into their file and helps them when it comes to promotion time. So if you got employee A, employee B, and you got 10 10s and you got 10 8s, the 10's going to get promoted. And I encourage you, if you don't get the survey, this same Yakety-Yak we're talking about, which is John's Facebook post, you can absolutely comment on there for any associate or any crew member that you seem worthy, or if you want to give them the recognition they want, you can do it on John's page because only 40% of the cruisers get the survey. So you can still commend, that's the word I was looking for, the crew on John's Facebook page. That was episode 81 of Yakety-Yak. Thanks for watching. Please take care.